Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you that if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. So how you will get these questions on our website? So you need to visit our website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. In academics adda, you need to select math important questions. There all the problems will be listed. Okay friends. One more thing I would like to tell you that all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and you need to visit our playlist math important questions. Okay, so in that playlist you will find all these questions in the form of video lectures. So coming back to the question, what is given here? What is incorrect about solving x square equal to 3x by dividing x on both sides? Okay, so we need to explain that what is wrong with it. See, whenever we divide an equation by some number or some variable, we can say, if we divide a equation by some variable on both sides, what we are assuming that it must not be equal to 0, because if it is 0 then we cannot divide by that variable. Okay, so we are assuming that it is not equal to 0. So in that assumption, we, while assuming that, we are excluding x equal to 0 from the solution set. Okay, so x cannot be 0, right? So what we will do here, for the given problem x square equal to 3x, we will solve by both the ways, once by dividing by x and other by not dividing by the variable. So x square equal to 3x, when we divide both sides by x, we will get x equal to 3 as a solution, right? Because x square by x equal to 3x by 3, therefore x will get cancelled and we will get x equal to 3. Now in the second case, when we will not divide both sides by the variable x, so this is the case, so we will check what are the solutions that we will get. So x square equal to 3x, what we will do, we will subtract 3x from both sides in order to eliminate 3x from the RHS. Okay, so from right side, now our right side will become 0 here, and left side will be x square minus 3x. Taking x as common factor, we will get x into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we know that for two real numbers a and b, if a be equal to 0, then a may be equal to 0 or b may be equal to 0 or both may be equal to 0. So equating both the factors equal to 0, we will get x equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0, and solving this we will get x as 0 and 3. Okay, so x can either be 0 or 3. So here we can see that solution set consists of two numbers, that is 0 and 3. So while assuming, in the first case when we divided by the variable, then we have assumed that x is not equal to 0. Okay, so for the first case our solution was only 3, and for the second case where we can see our solution is 0 and 3. So we should never divide both sides of the equation by a variable, because there is a possibility that actually we are eliminating the possible solution. Okay friends, so this is how we solve this type of problems. Okay, thank you.